Looking for a dependable Ethernet cable that delivers fast, consistent performance? The vertical cable Cat6 unshielded twisted pair (UTP) cable is built for high-speed data communication, supporting frequencies up to 550 MHz. Whether you're setting up a home office or gaming station, this cable meets the demands of modern networks with ease. This cable surpasses the TIA EIA 568C. 2. Specification, ensuring excellent attenuation and crosstalk control. That means less interference and clearer signals for your devices. It's specifically designed for indoor and riser installations, carrying the ETL-approved CMR rating, which guarantees safety and reliability in vertical runs within buildings. Each cable contains 4 pairs of 23 Aruban fluorine solid bare copper conductors, known for their durability and superior conductivity. The pairs are color-coded with clear stripes, making installation straightforward and error-free. The insulation is made from polyethylene, PE, while the outer jacket uses sturdy PVC, protecting the cable from everyday wear and tear. Sold in a convenient 1,000-foot pull box, this Ethernet cable features sequential length markings printed on the jacket. This detail helps you measure and cut precisely, saving time and reducing waste during setup. Whether you're wiring an entire office or just upgrading your personal network, this cable offers both quality and value. Users in the United States have praised this cable for its solid connection and durability. One reviewer mentioned using it for laptops and an Xbox One, noting how well the pins hold up and how simple the cables are to connect. It's also tested to support high speeds, making it a trustworthy choice for gaming and streaming. If you want a cable that balances performance with reliability, the vertical cable Cat6 UTP Ethernet cable is worth a look. It's engineered to meet professional standards without the premium price tag, giving you what you need to keep your network running smoothly. Ready to upgrade your network with a cable that performs as promised? Try the vertical cable Cat6 UTP Ethernet cable when you're ready. It's a practical solution for anyone serious about stable, high-speed internet connections. Don't settle for less when it comes to your network infrastructure. This cable's solid copper conductors, clear identification, and certified safety ratings make it a smart investment. Experience better connectivity and fewer interruptions with a cable designed to keep up with your digital life.